Hi guys, welcome to Early Years Matters TV. On this channel, we focus on everything early childhood related. If these are the kind of things you're looking for, what you have to do, subscribe, and not just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be notified each time a new video is being dropped on this channel. So today I'm going to be talking about what is a checklist observation and when should you do a checklist observation. What is a checklist observation? A checklist observation is a series of questions you, an educator, must answer while you are observing a child. So, in relation to the children in your setting, observation is really important because through observation you'll be able to find out about their interests, you'll be able to find out about their needs, and then you'll be able to put a curriculum in place that will support them. So in relation to a checklist observation is a series of questions you as the educator want to answer when you're observing the child. Okay, so there are things that you want to observe that the children can do. So you can only find out about this through observation. Okay, for instance, you want to find out if the children can color, if they can paint, if they can their friends, So using a checklist method, you could have a list of questions that you will want to ask. Okay, so have a list of questions and then you have a yes or no. So when you're observing the child, you'll be able to tick yes or no. So for instance, if one of your questions is, can the child color? Okay, so during maybe when the children are engaging in coloring time and then you're observing the child. So if the child can color, you tick the box that yes, the child can color. So can the child paint? Okay, so maybe during painting time, you observe the child to find out if the child can paint. And then if the child can paint, you tick yes. So let's say if the child can paint or the child is having challenges painting, so you could make a note that, okay, the child needs to be supported to paint. Okay, so you can see in relation to using a checklist method, it's going to tell you what the child can do and what the child can't do, because you have like the box yes or no. So the things that the child can do is the child needs. So the observation, the checklist observation is telling you something. Okay, so this is what the child can do, the yes. This is what the child can do, the no. So the no is the needs of the child. So this is what the child needs. And then when you're putting a curriculum in place, you'll be able to support the child. For instance, if your child is having difficulty painting, so you as the educator can do is to model how to paint so that the child can see you paint, and then the next time you let the child do it. I'm always against educators doing things for the children. You need to understand that the children are born with creativity skills, they are born with a lot of skills, and it's important that you as the educator, you let them to use these skills. So I'm always against doing things for the child in the area of early childhood. I'm always against doing things for young children. So like if there's a need there, the child can paint. So what you can do there is model to the child how to paint. Gather the children in a circle, show them how to paint, and then the next time you let them do it. Okay, so that means you're empowering them, showing them how to paint, and then in return they will be able to do the same as well. So in relation to using a checklist observation is really important. You as the educator, you start by having a list of questions that you want to tick while you're observing the children, if they can do it or not. So the ones that the children can do, you tick yes. So the ones that they can do, you tick no, and you put the element beside it. So for instance, if you tick a no, maybe they're having challenges with painting one side, so you can make a note, and then when you're putting a curriculum in place, you take all of this into consideration, and there you go, you have an emergent and inquiry-based early childhood curriculum, which is based on the children's interest and the children's needs. So educators, I'm going to encourage you to do more of education. It's going to help you, it's going to make your job simple. At least you know the children can do, you know their needs, and you'll be able to support them. So I'll charge you today to do more of observation. I know it can be daunting, it can be time consuming, but you just have to create the time to observe the children. Because observe them, you find out about the things that they can do, and in return, this will help you in relation to planning the curriculum for the children. And if you want more of this on this channel, what you have to do is subscribe, and not just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be notified each time a new video is being dropped on this channel. Until I come your way next time, stay safe and mind yourselves for now. Bye.